Welcome! Efficient order fulfillment is critical for any growing e-commerce business. From managing orders to printing labels and tracking shipments, having the right system in place can save time and reduce costly mistakes. That's where ShipStation comes in. ShipStation is a powerful shipping platform that helps online sellers streamline order processing, compare carrier rates, automate workflows, and manage deliveries from one centralized dashboard. In this guide, you'll learn how to use ShipStation to simplify your shipping process and improve operational efficiency in 2026. Let's get started. So ShipStation simplifies the way you manage orders, print shipping labels, and track shipments. It integrates with over 100 online stores, including popular platforms like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, and Walmart, making it easy to manage all your orders in one place. Key features of ShipStation: multi-channel integration. ShipStation connects with a variety of e-commerce platforms, shopping carts, and marketplaces, allowing you to import orders from different sources in one place. 2. Shipping label creation. The platform allows you to easily create shipping labels for various carriers, such as USPS, FedEx, UPS, and more. You can print labels in bulk, saving you time. ShipStation offers customizable automation rules to help streamline tasks, such as automatically assigning shipping carriers based on order type or destination. ShipStation offers several pricing plans tailored to different business needs. Starter plan $9.99 per month for up to 50 shipments, one user, discounted rates, and integration with 300 sales channels. Bronze plan $29.99 per month for up to 500 shipments. One user, live chat, 24/7 support, and enhanced tracking or labels. Silver plan $59.99 per month for up to 1,000 shipments. Two users, customizable packing slips and phone support during business hours. Gold plan $99.99 per month for up to 2,000 shipments. 3 users, advanced automation and extended phone support. Platinum plan $149.99 per month for up to 5,000 shipments. 5 users, priority support and higher AP, I-Limits Enterprise plan. $229.99 per month for up to 7,500 shipments, 10 users, custom billing, dedicated support, and scheduled calls. High volume plan, custom pricing for more than 7,500 shipments per month with unlimited shipments and dedicated support. Now let us start a free trial. It says here, sign up for a free trial. No credit card required. Make sure to put correct details in here and click Get Started if you are done filling up information. Set up account. Set up your account. After logging in, you'll be guided through the initial setup process, where you can input your business details, name, address, and contact information. Add your shipping origin address, which is typically your warehouse or business location. Connect your selling channels. Connect storefronts or marketplaces. In the settings menu, click Store Setup and select Connect a Store. ShipStation supports integrations with many e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, and more. Choose the platform you are using, log in, and authorize ShipStation to connect with your store. After successfully connecting, your orders from the platform will automatically sync with ShipStation. Add shipping carriers. Add a shipping carrier. ShipStation supports various shipping carriers like UPS, FedEx, USPS, DHL, and international carriers. Go to Settings, Carrier Setup, and click on Add a Carrier. Choose the carrier you want to add, sign in to your carrier account, and authorize ShipStation to access your shipping account. Configure carrier options. Once the carrier is connected, you can configure specific shipping services and rates that you wish to use, for example, Brown, Today, Express, etc. ShipStation will then display the available services when you create shipping labels. Import orders. Order sync. Once your store and carrier accounts are connected, ShipStation will automatically import your orders from your storefronts into the platform. You can narrowly import orders by clicking on the Import button if they haven't been synced automatically. Orders will appear on your Orders page, where you can view order details like item descriptions, shipping addresses, and customers' info. 2. Manage order status. ShipStation allows you to manage the status of each order. Example, awaiting shipment, ship, etc. Orders can be filtered by status, allowing you to easily identify orders that need processing. Creating and print shipping labels. Select orders to ship. From the Orders page, select the orders you want to ship by checking the box next to each order. You can bulk select multiple orders to process and ship at once. Choose a shipping carrier and service. After selecting the orders, click Create Label. ShipStation will show you a variety of available shipping options based on the carriers you have connected. Choose the preferred carrier, service type, example, priority mail, pellet ground, etc., and shipping method. Confirm shipping details, ensure that the order details, weight, dimensions, destination address are correct. ShipStation will automatically calculate the shipping cost based on the package weight, dimensions, and destination address. Print the shipping label. Once all details are confirmed, click on Create Label. ShipStation will generate the label. You can download and print the label directly from the ShipStation using thermal printer or regular printer. Optionally, you can also email the label directly to your warehouse staff for printing. Manage shipments and track packages. Shipment status. After creating labels, ShipStation will automatically update the status of your orders to ship. You can track the status of each shipment by clicking on the order in the Orders page. The tracking number will be linked directly to the carrier's tracking system. Create shipping notifications. ShipStation can automatically send shipment tracking information to your customers. Under Settings greater than email notifications, you can customize the shipping confirmation email template and add tracking information so customers are notified when their order is shipped. Print packing slips. For each order, you can print packing slips to include in the packages. Packing slips can be printed individually or in bulk from the Orders page. Thank you for watching this ShipStation tutorial. A well-organized shipping workflow improves customer satisfaction, reduces fulfillment errors, and supports business growth. When used effectively, ShipStation can help you manage orders faster and ship with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce and business software tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.